Good evening, brothers and sisters. It's 10:19 here in the Philippines in the evening, and we have a power outage. It's been around 50 minutes or more, or an hour, that we have this power outage. And I received a text message earlier that it might get restored around 12:31 midnight, and we have no power. So that's our neighborhood, and it's also raining, but not to the point that we should be having power outage or brownout or blackout, because it's not a typhoon. But we've been prepping people, telling us that sorry, I have to close this. They've been telling us that there's a high consumption of energy, which is completely BS, because it's rainy season and not summertime. So energy shouldn't be a problem this time of the year. But yeah, and we've been back to water rationing again, and they've been prepping us for the power rationing as well. So that's Philippines in the BIS system. It's like Philippines is now Italy the second, since we have no lights, and if it continues there will be rationing it, and people won't, of course people will complain, but what can we do if it's the government that it's doing it? I hope you are all doing well. Shalom.